I feel so light, relaxed, and the atmosphere here is so, like, as soon as I entered the premises, it was just, I was surrounded with positivity, which is what everyone needs in their life.
This campus, Kanha Shanti Vanam, presents a model of holistic living.
जो मैंने हृदय के अंतरतल से, हृदय के अभ्यंतर से जो अनुभव किया कि यहाँ पर योग और अध्यात्म की मूल आत्मा है।
What I have seen has absolutely blown me away. What I'm seeing here is a community that would be envy of any community in the world. It is so incredibly beautiful, firstly, the beauty of its architecture, schools, auditoriums, libraries, the landscaping, the integration between nature and buildings. There is just something breathtaking about the way it's been done, and in an ecologically friendly and sustainable way.
So for me, I think this place resonates with a lot of positivity. I've been here in the last year maybe about 8 to 10 times, and the longing to come back here is quite higher than the number of times I've actually come here.
ये शांतिवनम बाबूजी की सीख का जीता जागता उदाहरण है।
This place is open to all. It's not only for the members of this organization, but those who like to meditate, those who like to explore this inner spirituality and experience this. Even if you are meditating for the first time and say, oh, I don't know how to meditate, here we can teach you how to meditate and go inside. And again, I cannot emphasize more on this, that it is all free.